You just left the salon with a flawless set of braids, but under a microscope, the reality is different. This grainy gray residue is clinging to the fibers of your new extensions. These integrations undergo heavy industrial processing to reach their final color and texture. Because of this manufacturing cycle, lab testing shows that over 90% of extensions contain factory-grade chemicals, including lead, phthalates, and formaldehyde. High-density styles trap a microclimate against gin. Sweat, dead skin, and heavy metals form a concentrated layer resistant to regular washing. Because your scalp is highly absorbent, friction and body heat melt these chemicals, seeping them directly into your pores and follicles. This sustained exposure causes follicle congestion in over 60% of people who avoid deep maintenance. If left unaddressed, this buildup triggers permanent hair loss through conditions like traction alopecia or CCCA. Healthy hair growth cannot occur on a toxic foundation. Saving your hairline requires a specialized extraction method that resets your scalp for about 75 cents, all without ruining your $300 installation. Step 1 is the physical preparation of the ToxiTress ritual. You mix a powerful blend of bentonite clay and activated charcoal to create a dense mask. The science is based on ionic charges. Factory residues like lead are positively charged, bonding tightly to your follicles. Bentonite clay carries a strong negative charge. It acts as a heavy metal magnet, physically drawing those toxins away from your skin. This specific formulation acts as a physical extraction tool. While standard shampoos only interact with the surface, this magnetic pull reaches deep into the follicle to remove the core of the buildup. Step 2 focuses on application. You must part your braids section by section to ensure the mask makes direct contact with the scalp. The most common mistake here is reverting to the habits of standard shampooing. Many people attempt to scrub or massage the formula into their roots. Using aggressive friction will instantly loosen the tension of your braids and destroy the integrity of your expensive installation. Use a gentle dabbing motion to press the mask onto the roots. This places the clay exactly where it needs to be, without disrupting hair. Preserving your style relies on this dabbing technique. You are trusting the chemical magnetism of the mask to lift toxins, rather than relying on mechanical scrubbing. Step 3 is the processing phase. You must allow the mask to sit for a full 90-minute biological window. During this time, you will feel a distinct tightening and cooling sensation on your scalp. This physical sensation is the indicator that the formula is successfully breaching the toxic biofilm and lifting it away from the pores. If you rush this process and wash it out after only 10 or 20 minutes, you fail to fully sever the bond between the neurotoxins and your skin. Respecting the full 90 minutes is the only way to ensure a complete purge of the heavy metals trapped in your follicles. Step 4 is the purging rinse. Step into the shower and let the water pressure itself rinse the clay away. As the clay washes away, the water turns a murky gray. This is the toxic biofilm that standard shampoo leaves behind. As the scalp clears, you notice immediate physical relief. The persistent, crawling itch vanishes. When the water runs clear and the irritation stops, the microclimate is neutralized. This ritual replaces $150 professional salon detoxes with an at-home process that costs roughly 75 cents per treatment. Consistent maintenance provides a clinical shift in your hair health, including a 34. Protective styles are a tool for growth, but they shouldn't come at the cost of your long-term health. Allow your scalp to breathe. Visit ToxiTress.info to secure a 60 treatment kit and protect your hair before your next